partner. Now I will introduce this Changhdong H7 480 horsepower tractor truck for you. This is the main model of Dongfeng Liuzhou Automobile Company in 2022.
Okay, let's look at this in detail. This tractor is equipped with Yuchai brand 12-liter 480 horsepower large displacement engine with maximum torque of 2060 Nm. The technology of fuel consumption per 100 kilometers is at the leading position in the world, and it has excellent performance in uphill drives. The tractor adopts the world's leading inner engine cylinder braking technology with optional hydraulic retarder, ensuring the safety of driving and reducing the frequency of the use of the braking system. Okay, now let's turn to the next part, the gear box. This is the faster brand 12-speed gearbox, and it has overdrive gear, and the first gear ratio is large, making it more powerful when climbing. Okay, let's turn to the fuel tank. It's a 1,000-liter aluminum alloy double fuel tank. Make sure you can have a long transportation. And the curb weight of this tractor is 8.2 tons. This high torque rear axle makes it easier to climb the hills in the transportation.
So, safety, reliability, fuel saving, high efficiency, and comfort are the main characteristics of this tractor. And in the end, Changhdong Mobile and Yuchai engine has service station and liaison office all around the world, providing you with timely and efficient service support. Okay, this is my introduction to this tractor.